Hi families, thanks for joining me. Today I am going to be demonstrating a card from Peer Book number 3, the spring book. It is card number 12, Grocery List Games. And the goal with this activity is for writing and alphabet awareness. So in the beginning of the card, we pause, we engage the children by talking about what we're going to need from the grocery store. And what I'm going to be focusing on is during the encourage part where we can meet your child at the level they are at with writing. So I have my brother to come help. So the materials needed are a piece of paper and crayons or colored pencils. You can also use food in your house, which I will show in a little bit. So if your child is not yet writing, this is a part where you can encourage them to draw pictures of the food and then write after they've drawn to show them the meaning of print. So, for example, Carson, I noticed that we didn't have any apples. Would you like to draw an apple to put on our list for the grocery store?
Yes, I would.
Once your child is finished drawing their picture, perfect. You can show them, you can say, wow, I love the apple you've drawn. I'm going to write apple next to it. Watch as I write. Apples. Now we know to buy apples when we go to the grocery store. If your child is beginning to write, they might use environmental print or you can help them. So, Carson, I noticed that we didn't have any apples. Would you like to write apples on our grocery list?
Yes, I would.
Okay, Carson, I'm going to write the word apples so you can copy it. Watch. I'm going to write A-P-P-L-E-S. Can you copy the word apples?
A-P-P-L-E-S.
Awesome job. Now we know to buy apples at the grocery store. This is a time where you can also use materials that you do have. So if you need to buy more rice, you can show them, look, our container says yellow rice. Can you copy yellow rice? We're going to start with the letter Y over here, and we're going to follow in this direction.
Y, E, L, L, O, W.
If your child doesn't know the letters yet, you can use this as an opportunity to tell them as they write. You wrote the word yellow. Now we're going to write rice. Take a look. Here's uppercase letter R. Can you write uppercase letter R?
Yes, I can.
Uppercase R has a tall straight line, a little curve, and a slide going down. Awesome job. Now, the last is if your child is writing and does have some letter, they can identify letters. So, if your child knows the letters, what they look like, and can match with letter sounds, you can use this opportunity to connect that with them. Carson, I noticed that we didn't have any apples. Can you help me write apples on our grocery list?
Yes, I can.
Okay, let's break down the sounds of the word. Apple starts with the sound ah, ah. What letter do you suppose that is?
A.
Correct. Can you write a letter A? Let's keep going. A, P, P.
P.
P, that is correct. Can you write letter P next to letter A? A, P, L, L.
L.
L, L.
L.
L, that is correct. You don't want to focus on the spelling of the letters. You're encouraging them to write as they go. If they hear the letter P and they identify letter P, don't worry about writing more than one. If your child is unsure what the next letter looks like, you can show them. Work on identifying the sound. We wrote apple. The last sound in apples is S, S. Do you know what letter that is?
S.
S. That's right. Let me show you how to make an S. It's like a snake that curves around. Can you make letter S? Beautiful. So, here are 3 ways to meet the level of your child for this card. If you have any questions, reach out to your teacher or leave a comment under the video. Thank you.